Clark Shepherd.
Yo, Kai, I heard this bitch try to dish me.
Serious?
Hell yeah, I'm serious. Talking about she the baddest bitch. That bitch look bad. I am serious, yo. Hit her up.
Bitch, grab your man when you see Kaya. Ho, call the cops when you see Kaya. Bitch try to diss, but she lame, she ain't finished. Now she bout to feel the wrath of a menace. Bitches, I hit 'em up. How you gon' rap with this line all out your mouth? But I'm about to make you bow down to the queen of the south. Fake bitch, if you was real, you would've said my name. But bitch, I'm calling you a hoe, and I'm saying it to your face. Keep it real, punk, hoe. The hood already know. That's why they fuck you in your ass. Let a hoe be a hoe. Trick and Ted should've warned you not to open your mouth, but slip and slide, been begging me to fill up your spot. Your album sucks more whore than you suck on the dick. Tricking all around town, trying to hate on the bitch. Now ho, what you gon' name your baby? Baby? Man, I love you, Lil Weezy, but that ain't your baby. Rotten body corroded bitch, can't even have no babe. Lil Weezy, tighten up, boy, I had you, babe. I got a pussy dizzy bitch, but I ride my own dick. Independent, fuck a major, and I'm still rich, bitch. I moved to Georgia cause I can afford to, cause Florida's my home. And all my thugs and thug missing, know I'm reppin' them strong. Bitch, I rep for the hood, ho, I come from the street. And that's what happens to a bitch that try to fuck with a queen. Bitch, grab your man when you see Kaya. Ho, call the cops when you see Kaya. Bitch try to diss, but she lame, she ain't finished. Now she bout to feel the wrath of a menace. Bitches, I hit 'em up.
Clark Shepherd.
Now bitch, I knew you were dumb, but I ain't know you were that motherfucking dumb. Somebody should've told this hoe. Get it right.